Well, I was telling you about the Whataburgers being white mostly. And here's an example. Now, believe it or not, on the way down, I didn't photograph that one because I wanted to make sure you saw the white one. The exact same model, this is an earlier model, has been painted tan, that color tan. Now you can see how distinctly different that is. I've got another one down the street from the original. Let's take a look at it. It'll have to be another day when I take to a fenced-in one. I think there's 2 or 3 fenced-in ones still available to take photos of. But just in case you were wondering, there it is. Well, here we are. This is one of the original types, where you have the small square white box with the pull-up roofs. There's still some with an island in the middle, but this is genuine. You can pull in and drive around the back. It's next to this abandoned exotic woods, and it's actually tucked away in an odd place. Typically, these places are someplace visible, but this is a side street. It goes pretty far, halfway across town, a half point to the other side. But you see, it has a grassy area over there. So it's maybe another version to add on top of those other versions that I mentioned. I've eaten here a couple times because it's so like interesting in a way, but it's really expensive. But you can see the sign is pretty much just Uncle Sam. They call that Blake, and it's just standing up. And then the canopies. There's no bathroom, and the other ones the bathroom's really tiny, almost like a Greyhound bus squeezed-in toilet with a bar sink. But you can see you can drive around the back. So that's the second, and you see the Whataburger sign is very big. It's bold, and red and white. It's very red and white, and then red, white, and blue. And then the cups are red, white, and blue. Well, it's what you've been waiting for, to see the original, the Whataburger. At Whataburger Blake's Slaughterhouse. And there's the headquarters. And here's the Whataburger. Oh, I didn't realize it was playing music. That's what it looks like inside. There's the bathroom. They upgraded to electronic signs. And it's got these little stools. It's kind of cool. And here's the patio. And there's the little red globe lights. And the flicker lights. And like I said, the black picket fence in the front. surrounds everything. It's a square, essentially, or a little rectangle, but it becomes a square with the red bud out. And that's the rest of the slaughterhouse on that side. There's a rail spur that picks it up from wherever they get their meat from. Oh, biscotti shake is here. Pinon cone, where I just came from, I put that up. Started this biscotti coffee, and people like it, so they made a shake. But they have weird shakes like blueberry shakes, peach shakes. Anyway, you can see it's red, white, and blue. No tan. And that's the original. Okay, well, here I am on Central Avenue, and we got a duplicate here of the original. And you get to see that the lights are on. You see the red globes, boom, boom. And the white lights around the Whataburger are flashing, going around. And you can see they serve Dr. Pepper and Pepsi products. You can see the bar right there and the bar there in the glass area. You can see the little bathroom in the corner there. And then the black picket fence with the, I guess they used to be gas lamps, but they're just lights now. And it's on a platform. Notice it's on a platform. A lot of things here they like to put on platforms. And the drive around. You got the drive around. And parking all around. And I don't know if it covers it. I'm going to look at one place that used to be a lot of burger and now isn't, with the island. Well, you can see it's red and white with blue. I would call it red and white with blue. And then there's some black on the fence. I don't know if that's always been black. It might have been white at the beginning. Okay, so here we are at the one I wanted to show you with the island in the center. You can see this has been transformed into a Mexican restaurant. It's recent. It's only in the last 6 months that they made this a Mexican restaurant. It's been left empty for years. It was like this when I showed up, empty. But notice the roundabout. You can go around the back, and there's an in and an out. And you can pull up to the island and order, and you sit in your car either here or there, or you can sit underneath the canopy of the island. Now the reason you know it's a Blake's is because it has that distinguished sign. They cut off the top, obviously, but they still has the legs. So it's been a while since they used this methodology of being an outdoor restaurant. You can see it's the same kind of square block, but it's painted tan. And so you got to see it. And this happens to be on the same road as the Chinese Cultural Center.